Kent Flores here from Zigwheels.Ph, and now we're here at Honda's R&D Proving Ground. And now we're going to test drive the Honda Prelude and the Super One.
And right in front of us is a nameplate that's making a big comeback, the Honda Prelude. For years, the Prelude has been one of the Honda's most storied coupes, a symbol of sportiness, balance, and everyday drivability. And now it's back, reimagined for the new era of electrified performance. Starting up front, the design is sleek and minimalist. Get that ultra slim LED headlights connected by a continuous light bar, giving the Prelude a wide and futuristic stance. The Honda badge sits right in the center, framed by smooth flowing lines that stretch across the hood. The lower bumper has a clean aerodynamic look with large air intakes and black accents that add a bit of aggression without being overdone. It's sporty but elegant, very Honda in character. From the side, you can really appreciate the coupe portions. The long hood, short rear deck, and slightly sloping roofline create that classic two-door silhouette. The fenders are subtly flared, giving it a planted, confident stance. And that's glossy black alloy wheels complement the car's modern lines perfectly. Moving to the back, the simplicity continues. The taillights form a full-width light bar, echoing the design theme up front. You've got a subtle integrated lip on the trunk and a smooth bumper design that gives it a very tidy finish. Every angle feels deliberate and well thought of. Inside the Prelude continues Honda's new design language, driver-focused, clean and ergonomic. While this one's still a concept version, you can already see the focus on simplicity and technology. Minimal clutter, but with premium materials. The return of Honda Prelude isn't just nostalgia. It's Honda signaling that driving pleasure still matters, even in a world shifting to electrification. The Prelude is back to remind everyone why Honda always been known for building cars that connect you to the road. So earlier, there's a confusion between Honda and their staff, and we weren't able to film the driving. But to give you my impression, behind the wheel, the new Honda Prelude feels exactly how you'd want a modern coupe to drive. Balanced, responsive, and surprisingly refined. Power delivery is smooth and instant thanks to its electrified setup. You get that familiar Honda precision, light steering at low speeds, then nice weight and feedback once you start pushing it. The chassis feels tight and composed through the corner, yet the suspension stays comfortable, even on uneven part of the track. Brakes are progressive and the transition from regenerative to physical braking is seamless. It's not a hardcore sports car. It's more about balance and enjoyment. The Prelude delivers that perfect mix of sportiness and everyday comfort. Exactly what made this nameplate special in the first place. So we test drove the Super One, which is Honda's K car, but I wasn't able to drive it and I was just a passenger. For this car, it has 64 horsepower and 47 kilowatt. It has a boost mode that gives you a little bit of power to push the car. But to our butt dyno, since they didn't give us the official numbers yet, we're thinking for the boost mode, it will give you around 90 horsepower. And the gear stages are calculated in real time based on driver input and vehicle data to reproduce realistic behavior. Sharp G transitions are simulated also during gear shifts. It has simulated engine RPM and simulated engine output. So we're still here at Honda's R&D Proving Ground. Honda surprises us with a new prototype that's still in the camouflage. It might be Accord or a Civic. So let's test this out. Right off the bat, you can feel the power, the acceleration, it's there. As for the handling, it's surprisingly stable. It has a light steering wheel. It's easy to turn in the corners.
Very nice, even as a passenger.
Yeah.
Sarap.
The car is stable.
So that's it for the tour of the Honda R&D and Proving Ground. Again, this is Ken for Zigwheels Philippines. See you in our next video.